Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy, beautiful Thursday. It is absolutely gorgeous outside. It's beautiful. It's warm and sunny. It is absolutely beautiful out there. So, hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Hello, Joel. As you're joining me, if you can just leave me a comment, hashtag live in the comments or hashtag replay. If you can give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Tell me where you're watching me from. I always love to see where everybody's watching from. And it is cocktail time with Jamie. But before I begin that, Marcus and I were so busy yesterday. I never got on my Facebook Live. We got 40 cases of wine delivered yesterday, and we were busy putting everything away, restocking our shelves, moving things around, vacuuming, cleaning, almost like a spring cleaning. I guess it is springtime now, so welcome to spring. We tried to make room for another table in the dining room. We moved all of our wine boxes. So if you walk in, it will be a little bit different, but the same food, same people, same atmosphere, same options. Just looks a little bit different. So we're always moving things around. We're always reconstructing. We're always bringing in new things because we want to give all of those cool new things to you. So we thank everybody very much for all of your support through all of this. It's getting warmer out. The village is talking about shutting down the streets soon. In the front, our back garden is open tonight. The fire pit is going. I am going to assume most people will want to sit outside tonight. But if you are coming in and you are sitting outside or inside, we are small staff still, and please be patient. So we will let everybody know that as they come in. There are only 3 of us working tonight, and so just please be patient if you are sitting outside or inside for that sake. Every day it's something new. We never know what the weather is going to be like. We never know what it's going to be like here, especially through the last year. But we are super grateful to still be here. We are super grateful for all of our wonderful guests like you, and we are chugging along. So we have a couple of specials this week. We have a $9.99 special. We have 2 tonight. Every Thursday, it is $9.99 burgers to go, including our chickpea burger. And we have our peel and eat shrimp. It's a garlic lemon shrimp tonight. 3/4 pound of shrimp to go for $9.99. And Marcus also put this awesome offer out there for $34.99. You can get 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine. We have 4 different wines that you can choose from. I believe they are red, and you can choose a bottle of wine, $34.99. If you don't eat ribeye, you can, if one person eats ribeye, one has salmon, we will also put the salmon in there as well. So what an awesome offer. $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. That is to go only. You can also order any extra sides. It's just the 2 ribeyes. You can take that home and enjoy that. And that is awesome. So thanks everybody for watching me. I have people in Manhattan. I have people in Arizona. Hello, Christine. You finally got to a cocktail hour. Thank you very much. I know I'm a little bit later today. I appreciate it. And our groceries are still available. Our wine is still available. You can come in and buy groceries. All of our frozen fish is still available. And our grocery list is still available online on our website. So let's see. So today I'm going to be making an iced bourbon coffee liqueur. So hopefully I have all my ingredients together. I have my coffee that I made. I have my Trader Vic's chocolate liqueur. I have a vanilla spiced cream liqueur. And I have Mr. Peabody. You can add extra cream to this if you'd like. I'm not going to add any extra cream, but if you would like to, you can. I'm always making cool, interesting new things. So I'm always moving things around. So sometimes I taste things and I'm like, oh, it needs more of this or it needs more of that. So I am going to start with ice in my shaker. If you're calling, Patrick is here. He's answering the phones today. So I'm going to pour my coffee. It's about 1.5 ounces of coffee. I'm going to put 2 ounces of bourbon.
So today is part of that as well, I guess.
And our chocolate liqueur. It's about 1 ounce.
Sure. Can I get an empty order, please?
of the vanilla spiced. So probably about an ounce.
I'm putting 2 shirts on for you. What time works for you for picking?
And I'm gonna add a splash of agave in there,
Yeah,
just a splash.
Oh,
And I'm gonna shake that up. You can also add cream if you'd like. You can add vanilla rum, you can add vanilla vodka. You know, the fun part about making drinks at home is you get to experiment. I haven't used this Amarula vanilla spiced cream liqueur in a long time. This was really cool. We got this a little while ago, and it just looked cool and interesting. So why not put it into a cream drink? So let's go ahead and take, and this just seemed perfect. Iced coffee on a beautiful hot day. Wake me up today. Give me a pick me up, and there you go. So let's go ahead and taste it. Wow, that is yummy. I'm gonna save a little bit. Oh my God, it tastes like iced coffee. It's delicious. Wow. Iced coffee, but it's a lot of liquor in there. So I am very thankful that you're all watching me today. I appreciate it. Get outside, go for a walk, enjoy this beautiful weather, enjoy the sun, get some vitamin D. It's great that that's starting. You know, the sun is coming out again. It's getting stronger and feels really good out there. So $9.99 special today is burgers to go. And our chickpea burger, so our vegan burger, and it is our peel and eat shrimp, garlic lemon shrimp today. It's 3/4 of a pound of shrimp to go. Burgers are $9.99, and then that awesome ribeye special for $34.99 and a bottle of wine to go. Our dining room is open. We are open. Our regular menu is available to go. You can pick up, take out, sit outside, enjoy the weather, go to a park, get out there, hike, bike, run, do something. And that is it. Cheers to everybody, and I will see you tomorrow for TGI Friday. So cheers everybody, have an awesome night.